Welcome to another kiln opening video. This is a batch of extra large mugs, or probably 24 ounces and above. And these were fired at cone 6 with a 7 minutes hold. There's my cones. We were getting a lot of requests from customers for 24 ounces and above for mugs. So what I did is I just threw a batch of this large ones and then glazed them with combinations that I've been already doing since the beginning. So this is my usual Northern Light combination. That is smoky Merlot on the inside and up to the rim over here. And then 4 coats of seaweed and then 3 coats of indigo float, and then underneath that is 2 coats of obsidian. But the half bottom part, that is 3 coats of obsidian. So I think I made like 15 mugs for this combination. This is a tester. I tried tourmaline before, but I just want to see how it looks on a pet dish. I think my spicy cat is gonna have a new cat dish. So I put a batch in there. And if you can see it. So this is plain 3 coats of tourmaline. I really love using tourmaline by itself. And then, by the way, the badge that I put in there, I just put a coat of obsidian for the letterings or for the design, and then I just wipe it out with a sponge. So in my previous kiln opening, you probably saw a vase with the similar combination. That is just very simple. 4 coats of Mulberry, the celadon, inside and outside, up to over here. You can see the line there. And then it was overlapped by 3 coats of cosmic tea dust. So there you go. And that's the saucer that goes with it. There's a crack. Badge cracked. See this other one. Oh, there you go. That's better. So 3 coats of the honey flux as the liner on the inside, and also the outside that is still 3 coats of honey flux, and then 3 coats of smoky merlot on the rim up to there, and then 3 coats of chun plum, the bright pinkish in there, and then below the chun plum is another 2 coats of smoky merlot. So I think I also did, no, I think I only did 5 of this combination. Okay, here's my tester. A very teeny tiny vase, or bud vase. This is one of the new Mako. I think this is the coral gloss or something like that. I also have another, I think that's at the bottom shelf, wherein I did a plain coat of pink gloss. But this is 2 coats of coral. Kinda like it. Okay. 3 coats of iron luster on the inside and then outside, and then I just layered it with 3 coats of oatmeal. I think I did 15 of this. We're gonna find out. Another one for the Super Mama, and then that is the pair that says world's #1 dad. Same Northern Light combination for both. I guess I made another vase for that. So that's a pair for the planter that I just unloaded earlier. That is the mulberry at the middle, and then overlapping with cosmic tea dust on the rim and at the bottom. 3 coats for the cosmic tea dust, and then 4 coats for the mulberry. So here's a vase for the combination of honey flux for both inside and outside. That's 3 coats, and on the rim is 3 coats of smoky merlot, followed by 3 coats of chun plum, and then 2 coats of smoky merlot. I think I filmed the process when I was glazing this vase, and I'm gonna get that edited and it's gonna come out soon. For this vase, this is a repeat from the ones I did in my last kiln opening video. The only difference is I did not use a $some as a liner for the inside of the vase. Instead, I use 2 coats of frosted lemon and then 2 coats of white opal. And then for the outside, the stripes are just light and dark flux. And then on top of it is 2 coats of fossil rock for the bottom half, and then 2 coats of $some for the top half. I also did stripes of the coral, but I don't know if it made a difference or not. Well, you can see a little bit of it. Maybe next time I'm gonna put 3 coats probably for the stripes of the coral, or I'd rather use the pink gloss. I think pink gloss, that's the one that I used the last time, and it is more visible than this coral one. This mini bud vase is from using the new Mako. This is the pink gloss by itself. Two coats, both inside and then outside. So I think I've tested all the new Mako colors except for one, and that is the brown. So far, for all the ones I've tested, my favorite is the Nimbus, Fossil Rock, and then the Sandalor. While I also like the um, Riptide. Look how shiny that is. This is a refire of the combination of honey flux, ancient jasper, and then textured turquoise. See how glossy that is. Wow. So the reason why I refired is like the glaze in between the body and then the handle, there was like holes. It looks like the glaze didn't fully melt. So there's holes, tiny holes, looks like a pinhole. So I did not do anything. I did not cover it with another glaze. I just put it back in the kiln and fired it. I think there's 3 of them. Oh, I wasn't expecting this. I was even scared when I was thinking of refiring this because I thought that the glaze is going to run and gonna drip too much, but I guess not. I mean, I love it, like the original color, because you can see the textured turquoise, the green, and then the ancient jasper. But refiring it is just giving you another color. I don't know if you can see it, but I love it. Should I glaze a big fruit bowl with this kind or with this combination and refire it and see if I get the same color? Huh. There's 3 of them. And again, none of them drip. The ancient jasper on the rim, it's almost like metallic. Huh, I love it. Fruit bowl or serving bowl. I don't know, whatever you want to use it. Again, it's being glazed with my go-to glaze when I'm rushing and got no time to think of combination to do, so I just do the iron luster and then the ancient iron luster and oatmeal combination. 3 coats of iron luster and then same with the back, except that I put this oatmeal on the rim. This fruit bowl is another refired because when I did the first firing, it has glazing, and then the moody blue, the blue on top, has a lot of what do you call that, glaze bubbling. So what we did is sand that, and then I just covered the whole thing again, except for the rim. I covered it with one coat of frosted lemon. So I did not do another stroke and coat or anything. I just covered the whole thing with frosted lemon. By the way, this peacock glazing, the blue part right on top, that is moody blue, followed by speckled jaded or something like that, and then the yellow part is sun-kissed. And then I covered the whole thing with sandstone, 2 coats of sandstone. And at the back of the bowl, that is 2 coats of sandstone, and then 2 coats of frosted lemon, halfway to the bottom.